Hi, I'm Ryan from Sunshower Online. I'm here at the Sunshower Online warehouse and you're watching Sunshower TV. Today, I'm going to show you what's inside the box of a Hunter HC Wi-Fi enabled controller. And I've got a 6-station indoor here to help me out. We've got our controller box here, Hunter HC indoor. Download the apps on the app stores. Okay, first up we've got our quick start guide. Make sure you use your instructions, particularly with irrigation controllers. I find that particularly important. Not just because I'm here at Sunshower Online. I've got a controller box here. Wall mount screws and wall plugs. We've got our AC adapter so you can plug it into the wall. And that's it. Your Hunter HC controller. And that's it. If you found that video useful, please give it a like and subscribe on YouTube. And better yet, if you've got a project on the go, head to Sunshower Online. We'd be happy to help.